the ladder. What they are asking is length of the ladder. So here the thing is given. A ladder is put against the wall with an angle 60 degrees. Okay, this is foot of ladder. This is foot of ladder. It is put at 4.6 meter away from the ladder. Okay, so now if you see, you take this is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is nothing but opposite side, and this is nothing but adjacent side, and this is nothing but hypotenuse. What they are asking is length of the ladder, means hypotenuse value they are asking. Hypotenuse value, yeah, they are asking. We have the angle, we have the adjacent side. If you make cos theta, okay, it is nothing but adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. And here cos 60 degrees. Adjacent side is 4.6. Hypotenuse we have to find. Okay, hypotenuse is nothing but length of the ladder. And cos 60 is nothing but half, which is 4.6 divided by length of the ladder. One equation, one unknown variable. You cross multiply, it is 4.6 into 2, which is 9.2 units or meters. 9.2 units or meters. Okay, this is step 1. And after cross multiplying, we are getting the answer 9.2 meters. 9.2, because the distance, everything given in meters, the final answer also in meters. Okay, so you have to understand this, and then you draw the whatever equations applicable. Okay, whatever formulas applicable, we have to use it. I'm going to the next problem. An observer 1.6 meter tall is 20 root 3 meter away from a tower. Okay, this be the tower. This be the tower. And a man is standing here. A man is standing here. And he is 1.6 meter tall. And he is 20 root 3 meter away from the tower. This is the tower I am assuming. This is the tower I am assuming. He is 20 root 3 meter away from the tower. Okay. Now, from his eye, the angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the tower. So here is his eye, and this is the top of the tower. Okay. And if you make angle of elevation with respect to horizontal only, we have to make the elevation. So this dotted line, horizontal dotted line, I am just drawing it for my convenience. And the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Now height of the tower we have to find. Okay, I am assuming it as h. So total height of the tower from bottom to top. Okay, from here to ground to top of the tower, what is the height we have to find. We have to find. So what I will do, because this horizontal line is also exactly parallel. So this is also 20 root 3. This is also 20 root 3. And this parallel line, it is also 1.6 meters. This parallel line, it is 1.6 meters. I will assume above this horizontal line as x. Above the horizontal line as x. Okay. We want to find x value. I will take, this is 1, which is a rectangle. And this is 2, which is a triangle. 1 is rectangle, 2 is triangle. Okay. So in triangle, you have angle and the adjacent side. Opposite side is x. Okay, angle and adjacent side is present. Opposite side is x. Okay, if you take tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So already angle is given tan 30 degrees. So opposite side we are assuming x. Adjacent side is 20 root 3. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. And it is equal to x by 20 root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled. So x value is nothing but 20 meters. X value is nothing but 20 meters. Everywhere the distance or the height is given in meters. So this x value also it is in meters. But height of the tower is nothing but, we are having 1.6 along with this x only total height of the tower. So x value we have already calculated, it is 20. So 21.6 meters is h value height of the tower. Okay, h value height of the tower is 21.6 meters. 21.6 meters. Okay, so all these problems we are doing from class 5-6 onwards, like this models we have come across. As I have done it. He observes the angle of elevation. Okay, a man is standing on the top of the ship and the ship is 10 meter above the water level. Okay, and he observes the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse as 60 degrees. So he is looking at the top of the lighthouse, and this angle of elevation, we have to take always horizontal. This angle of elevation is 60 degrees, and the angle of depression of base of the lighthouse, this is base of the lighthouse, as 30 degrees. He is looking at the base also. He is looking at the base also. Here the angle is 30 degrees. Here the angle is 30 degrees. Find the height of the lighthouse. Okay, I will assume h as the height of the lighthouse. What is the height of the lighthouse? Okay, now what I will do, the lighthouse is present, and if you see, the man's height is not given, 10 meter above what a man is standing there, which is 10 meter above water level, which is 10 meter above water level. Okay, find the height of the lighthouse. I will give you an idea. If this total is 10 meters, we can take this as 10 meters. Okay, then opposite side is there, we can find adjacent side by taking tan 30. If adjacent side is known, we can find this value using tan 60, then height of the lighthouse is nothing but x plus 10. Okay, so like that we can do. We don't know the horizontal line distance. So this will be 10 meters along with the man. Okay, so along with the man, this height is 10 meters. So up to this point it is 10 meters. If you take tan 30 degrees, so opposite side by adjacent side, and tan 30 is 1 by root 2, opposite is 10 meter, adjacent we don't know. So x is nothing but, I will take this as y. This horizontal line, I will take this as y. So this question mark, this is y, and this y value is nothing but 10 root 3 meters. Okay, then in the second triangle, first triangle I completed. In the second triangle, okay, if I take tan 60, again it is opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 is root 3, opposite side is x, and adjacent side just now we calculated, which is y. Root 3 equal to x by 10 root 3. Okay, and x value is nothing but 10 root 3 into root 3. So 10 into 3, which is 30 meters. Okay, so x value is nothing but 30 meters, height of the lighthouse. So this is how we have to proceed. We have to go with the diagram. Okay, we have to take a diagram for everything, and then by analyzing we will get the answer.